Right, it's kind of hard to like. Oh, that was pretty.
If we capture like a picture, that'd be awesome.
On a picture, well, we could like film it and then, take picture of that. You know.
Yeah.
So today is Friday. We were gonna go to Burn, but I don't know. Looks really bad already. Like a big storm, maybe possibly hell. But we looked up on the weather on our phones and it doesn't say it's gonna be raining right now. But you could see all this activity. Whoa, that was cool. There's a whole lot of lightning. And this is the side of our house. We haven't fixed our siding yet, so from the damage that we got from the hailstorm. Hopefully we get to go out to Burn. We really wanted to go. Let's see how the weather turns out within a few minutes. You can see it's all dark on that side, like it's going to be coming in. Well, if y'all are on the road, be careful. God bless. And just be safe, guys. It's everywhere. I'm trying to get everything. Hopefully I'm not standing in an ant pile. That'd be really bad. Airplane. It's just constant. Wonder if it'll look better if I go to the front yard. You think?
I mean, it looks awesome on this. I just uploaded it. It looks really cool.
Whoa. Yeah, I think it looked better on the side because I can capture more.
Yeah, you can see way more. Look at that, man.
It's
Where'd you come over here?
It's the whole side.
Just stay over here. Yeah, right there. Look at that.
Yeah, it's gonna be coming soon.
Oh, did you see that?
No.
Oh, it was sweet. You gotta focus it like over here.
Yeah.
Wow, right.
Whoa, did you even hear that?
Yeah.
Let's go inside. I heard it. Like it was like zzz. I heard that. All right, bye guys.